Very good morning to one and all. My name is Aditi Ramdas Bari, a student of Deep Education Society, SAS Institute of Management. I am going to present a PPT on Human Resource Management. My topic name is Characteristics of HRM and Job Analysis. What is a job? Job, group of related activities and duties made up of task, basics element of job, what gets done. Stages of HRM. Job analysis, human resource planning, requirement, selection, placement, induction. Job analysis is the process used to collect information about the duties, responsibilities, necessary skills, outcomes and work environment of particular job. Process of defining a job in terms of its components, tasks or duties and knowledge or skill required to perform them. Decision is made to check that whether already existing post is valuable or not. To create a post. Job analysis. Job position, job description, job worth. In job position, in job description, skill, knowledge, attitude, role and responsibilities, education and experience. What to do? Discuss the nature of job analysis, including what is it is and how it is used. Use at least three methods of collecting job analysis information, including interviews, questionnaires, and observation. Explain job analysis is in a jobless world, including what it means and how it's done in practice. Job analysis process. Job analysis. What is the job analysis? Description and personal specification. Attracting and managing applications, selecting candidates, shortlisting and assessment, making the appointment, joining the observation induction. Step in job analysis process. Job descriptions, task requirements, statement that explains duties, working conditions, etc. of a job. Job specification, person, requirements, statement of what a job demand of the example, knowledge, skill, ability and other characteristics required to perform job. Performance standard. What is accepted to workers? JMA provided performance standards for job where perform is really quantified, measurable, etc. May needs to be amended. Example, participating, goal setting. All of these use form foundation for various HRM systems. Important application of job analysis. The job analysis provided the foundation for almost everything HR is involved in. Job description, employee selection, training, performance, appraisal, job classification, job evaluation, job design, the redesign. Reason for conducting job analysis: training and development, staffing, compensation and benefits, safety and health, employee and labor relationship. Method: direct observation, interview of existing post holder, interview of immediate superior, questionnaires, previous study work diaries. Method of job analysis: observation, Information sources, observing the not, not, noting the physical activities of employee as they go about their jobs. Advantages provided first-hand information, reduce distortion of information. Observation disadvantage, timing consuming, difficulty in computing entering job cycle, of little use if job involves high level of mental activity, observes difference of mental disposition, analytics should match employees cyber. Method of job analysis. The interview information sources, individual employee, existing job holder, immediate boss, superior with knowledge of the job. Interview format, structured, unstructured. The interviews. Advantages, quick, direct way to find overlooked information required. Disadvantages, aggregation of or disappreciation of importance of job. In case of superior, he may not be interested in the JD of subordinates. Attitude may not be supportive. Difference in presentation, attitude and aptitude of the interview. Lack of communication. Analytics caliber should match employee caliber. Method of job analysis questionnaires. Information sources have employee fill out questionnaire to describe the job related duties and responsibilities. Questionnaires format, structured checklist to define the task performed. Open-ended questionnaires. Advantages, quick and efficient way to gather information from large number of employees. Quick and economical to use. Disadvantages, expenses and time consumed in preparing and testing the questionnaires. Become less useful where the employee lack verbal skills. Methods of job analysis. Previous studies, information sources, past record of any employee. The analyst keeps the past record of the employee and keep the previous experience and issues related to the job analysis process of the organization. TVS studies. Advantages, easy to use the method, help to the find out that whether it is beneficial or not. Disadvantages, long assignment of previous post, bad performance of previous employee. Method of job analysis, work diaries. Information sources, works keep to journal diary, log of what they do and the time spent on each activity. Work diaries. Advantages, produce more complete picture of the job, employee participation mentioned on daily basis. Disadvantages, distortion of information depends upon employee to accurately recall their activities. Methods of job analysis. Manager trying the job. This method is used to check the new post. In this method, the manager start a new job to check that whether this job is beneficial or not. It's a risky step to take because it may cause mainly fundamental problems. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages, very fruitful if the manager is a experienced analytic and strategic risk taker. Advantages, very expensive, risky, time consuming. The person who conduct job analysis is interested in gathering data on what is involved in performing a particular job. Type of data collected that may help in analysis area. Human resource expert can rely on individual job analysis techniques, so normally all the methods are used. Thank you.